Your website can be stolen or destroyed by the hackers. Your files can be sold to market. If you don't do these settings, your website will be crashed. You all guys know that how to check any WordPress theme with theme detector, so hackers and others can easily know which theme and which plugins you're working on. They will release any type of virus and scam like theme update, plugin update, and when you install the plugin or theme, boom, it will crash. Now, how to avoid these type of scams or how to protect your website? Don't worry, your friend is here for helping. Watch this video till the end if you want to secure your website. If you are new to this channel, hit the red button and press the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's begin. Hey guys, this is Siddharth and you are watching Secno. Let me get you to the screen. So now I'm going to create a new website by using a subdomain. So let's create a subdomain. You can do this as you want it to be. And selecting my site. Also this asks a root directory option every time when we create a subdomain. So simply add subdomain. Now it is added. Let's create a site on the subdomain. We don't need these things, but if you want, you can go with these. Now select your domain, which one we created. Sometimes when you directly log in here, it shows an error, so I'm copying my password so that the next time I directly log in via WP admin. Now click on login button. It will redirect to our WordPress site dashboard. Let's activate anything. I think this theme is good for us, so simply I'm going with this. Now this is activated, this is our theme, and let's check this theme with the theme detector. You can see this is showing all information about your website. Now this time is to hide these information. Firstly, change your permalinks to post name and save. Now add a new plugin via plugin selection. Now search for the WP hide. On the second number, you will find the plugin which we are going to use. Simply install it, activate it. Now plugin is activated. Let's open the WP hide module by going here. Click on rewrite option. You will see many fields. Only fill those fields which I recommend to you. First, change the template name. I'm going with test name. You can choose any name. Click on save to save the changes. Now change another tab. Change the name. Remember guys, your all names which you are filling in these fields have to be different, so don't use the same name. I'm going with a random name. Now save it. Let's change another tab. Simply open this and type some random words, then save. Let's hide the plugin section. click on it, change the name. There are many fields, but don't touch any of these. Without doing any other things, simply save it. Remember guys, change only first field, don't change another fields. There are more options, but not of our use. And the other thing, you should know you can block WP login option by going to root file section. Simply save this. Now check the website. Hey guys, you have done. Now your website is secure from the scammers. Also, no one can copy your site easily. If you like my content, then please like the video, hit the subscribe button, also press the bell icon so that my videos can reach you soon after uploading. See you in the next video. Tata, take care.